How to fix guided access if triple click isn't working. Let's jump right into the steps. When you go ahead and press home button 3 times, you will activate guide access. But if it is not activating, here's what you can do. Open Settings app on your phone, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Here, scroll down again and then you want to go ahead and tap on Guided Access. Turn on the toggle button for Guided Access, then go back to Accessibility. Here, tap on Accessibility shortcut. Make sure Guided Access is checked. Now you have to understand one thing, that guided access does not work in every situation. Guided access is applied only when you are using some application which is supported by it. Now, for example, let us open any of the browser like Safari, and here when you go ahead and triple click on the home button, you will see the screen. Tap on Guided Access, and now on the top right corner you can see Start. Tap on Start. Now enter your passcode and you have activated Guided Access. When you go ahead and triple click on Guided Access again, you will be able to end Guided Access by tapping on End, that is on the top left corner. And if it's still not working, you can go ahead and switch off your phone, switch it on back again after at least 60 seconds. So that is how you can fix guided access if triple click isn't working. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.